The pandemic tonight and fears of a fourth wave. The head of the CDC today and her very emotional warning, her fear of, quote, impending doom were her words, and saying, I'm scared, pointing to new cases, hospitalizations, and now deaths rising again. President Biden today announcing at least 90% of all adults here in the U.S. will be eligible for a vaccine within 3 weeks. And tonight, the numbers: 94,686,000 people have now received at least one dose, nearly 37% of all adults. And the new CDC study out tonight showing the effectiveness of the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines, encouraging numbers even after one dose. Here's ABC's Eva Pilgrim tonight.
With the country averaging more than 60,000 cases of the coronavirus every day, the CDC director bluntly warning of another surge.
I'm going to lose the script, and I'm going to reflect on the recurring feeling I have of impending doom. We have so much to look forward to, so much promise and potential of where we are, and so much reason for hope. But right now, I'm scared.
Hospital admissions up more than 10% across 17 states in the last week, and the numbers of death rising too. In Michigan, hospitals seeing a surge of patients in their 30s and 40s.
These are younger group ages at the present time have not been vaccinated.
New York City and New Jersey leading the country again with the highest rates of infection. But after pausing the state's reopening, New Jersey's governor today easing rules on indoor entertainment and outdoor gatherings.
As the weather gets warmer, we are urging everyone to engage in social activities outside whenever possible.
Today, President Biden saying some states should pause their reopenings and called on states that have lifted mask mandates to reinstate them.
We're in the life and death race with the virus that is spreading quickly.
The president announcing today that the majority of American adults will be eligible for the vaccine ahead of his May 1st deadline.
At least 90% of all adults in this country will be eligible to be vaccinated by April the 19th, just 3 weeks from now, because we have the vaccines.
To speed up vaccinations, the administration will open more mass vaccination sites and add 20,000 more pharmacies. The goal, to give most Americans access to a vaccine within 5 miles of their home. Today, 6 more states making the vaccine available to anyone over 16. And starting tomorrow, New York giving the green light to anyone 30 and up. The country has lost nearly 550,000 lives to the virus. Overnight, President Trump's coronavirus task force coordinator, Dr. Deborah Birx, telling CNN she believes most of the deaths could have been avoided had the administration responded more effectively.
There were about 100,000 deaths that came from that original surge. All of the rest of them, in my mind, could have been mitigated or decreased substantially.
And a CDC study recently followed healthcare workers and found that the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines were 90% effective at preventing both symptomatic and asymptomatic disease. They appeared to be 80% effective 2 weeks after one dose. The study also suggests that it appears that the vaccines slow the spread of the virus. Now, doctors are reminding patients that you need both doses to be considered fully vaccinated and have max protection. David?
Encouraging news after one dose, but still get that second dose. All right, Eva, thank you. And next, a report on the origins of COVID-19 in Wuhan, China, is due out tomorrow, reportedly concluding that the virus most likely spread directly from bats to another animal and then to humans. The 100-plus page report from the World Health Organization and China also finding that it was, quote, extremely unlikely the virus escaped from a Wuhan lab. China's delay in allowing outside experts in has cast a shadow over the investigation.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.